It's giving time po. Nakakabad tumayo sa harap pag matagal kami nakatayo sa harapan mo. So, pero sabi ni Pastora, niremind niya ako last time, kaya mo yun sis, just pray. So it's been a while po, no? Napatagal. Pero sabi po ni Rev Jean sa isa niyang message natin is, we need to level up our service to our God, right? So hindi tayo basta uupo lang, tatayo tayo ulit. Pag sinabi ni Lord, yes and amen. Yan po ang sabi ni Lord, no? So before we give po, I just want to share a testimony that is very close to my heart. How tithing changed my life and how God proved Himself faithful to me and my family. I'll be honest, I didn't grow up knowing about tithing. It was never taught to me. I never heard anyone talking about it nung maliit pa ako. I only learned about it through Justin. Kay Justin lang, no? One day he told me, sabi niya, subukan mo lang, just try it. Walang pilitan. At first, I didn't fully understand, but something in my heart said, go ahead, take that step of faith. That small step happened 16 years ago, and church, that simple trial became a lifelong commitment. Because from the moment I obeyed, I experienced God in a whole new way. I saw Him as my provider, my faithful Father, and the one who never forget His children. As you all know, sa aming trabaho, no sales means no income. No income means bills can pile up. There were months when fear should have consumed us. We faced many challenges. Josh illnesses when he was young, Justin's repeated trips back and forth to the hospital, and even the uncertainty brought by COVID. But one thing I never stopped, not even once, was tithing. That didn't mean it was always a large amount. Whether big or small, what mattered most was staying faithful. And every single time, God showed up. There were days when I would sit quietly asking God, Lord, saan ako kukuha ng clients next month? And just when I felt that nothing left, He would surprise me. A call, a referral, a blessing. I didn't expect provision. I didn't even pray for. Over and over again, He reminded me, Anak, I've got you. Just trust me. That's who God is, faithful, steady, overflowing in love. Tithing didn't just change my finances, it changed my heart. It taught me that when I am faithful in giving back what belongs to Him, He is even more faithful in providing everything I need. I am a living proof that you can never outgive God. And now I want to say to all of you the same words that were once said to me. Ako naman yung magsasabi sa inyo ngayon, subukan nyo lang. No matter the amount, God honors our obedience, not the size of our gift. When we give from what we have, we show that we trust Him with our finances, our future, and our hearts. It is a reminder that God can multiply even the smallest offering and use it to bring blessing to our lives and others. You will see how faithful God truly is. To God be the glory. Pwede na po tayo magbigay. Yan po is talagang pinag-pray ko maigi. No, Lord, hindi ako tumatayo for tithing eh. Pwede ako kumanta, pwede ako magpaka, pero hindi sa tithing. Pero siguro yan na yung sinabi ni Lord na talagang ipagkatiwala natin sa Kanya. Even the smallest thing, never nagkulang ang Panginoon. Simula po nang give up ko yung trabaho ko 12 years ago, sabi ko, Lord, susunod ako. I pray for it. I prayed, Lord, hindi ko to gagawin, hindi ko kaya. It's all about you, God, right? So, ganun po. Sa lahat ng mga nag-struggle, sa lahat ng mga nahihirapang magbigay, I am a living proof po talaga na masasabi ko, si Lord po ang magbabalik sa atin.